how to lock your Facebook profile. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video in which I'm gonna show you how you can lock your Facebook profile. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up your Facebook application on your mobile phone. You can also do this on your laptop or PC, or you can use any type of phone, iPhone or Apple. So once you open up your Facebook account, now on Facebook, we want to make our account more private and we want to kind of like hide all the information. So for that, we can actually lock our profile. And what a lock looks like is that no one can open up your profile picture, no one can see it, no one can get any information about your profile, and your profile is completely locked. When someone tries to kind of like see the information, it says it's locked. So how we can do that? It's actually very easy to do. What you need to do is you will click on the menu. These are the three lines at the bottom, and it will take you right here. Now you're gonna click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, then you will click on the three dots next to add to story. Once you click on these three dots, then it will take you to your profile settings. Within your profile settings, now you will be able to see that we have a bunch of different settings here, and here you will see lock profile. You can see just under view as we have lock profile. I'm gonna click on lock profile, and now you can see it says lock your profile. Only friends will see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. People will be able to search for you and send you friend requests. Yeah, that can happen. They can send you the request, but they won't be able to explore your profile. Well, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on lock your profile. Once I click on this button, so now you will be able to see that we have locked our profile and it is completely locked. So if I want to unlock my profile, we can simply go to the profile settings here, and now in my profile settings we will click on unlock. So because it is already locked, this time we will click on unlock. So you can see you've locked your profile. This is completely locked right now, and I'm gonna click on unlocked here and click on unlock your profile, and now my profile has been unlocked again. So this is how you can lock and unlock your profile on Facebook, and you can upgrade your privacy settings. You will be able to make your Facebook account more private and exclusive. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.